Hi, this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2017 Chevy Spark. It's a one owner. It's got a clean CARFAX. It's got a 1.4 liter engine, good on gas. 15-inch wheels. Still some good tread there. It's got your manual locks, your manual windows. Dark cloth interior, climate controls, touchscreen satellite radio, medium-sized back seat. Seats do fold down for extra storage. Your rear backup camera. It is a hatchback. Very clean car inside and out. And this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2017 Chevy Spark.